Are you tired of Nvidia features not working because of that annoying a supported game is required error? Alright gamers, let's squash this error and get those sweet Nvidia features working. First, double check that the game you're launching actually supports the specific Nvidia feature you're trying to use, like Ansel, Highlights, or Freestyle. Some features are only compatible with a limited roster of titles. Next up, ensure your game is fully updated. Outdated versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Launch your game and investigate for a game update. Moving on, we need to make sure your Nvidia drivers are current. Often, new drivers are released that support enhanced features within specific games. Navigate to the Nvidia GeForce Experience app and verify that your drivers are up to date. If all else fails, try a clean reinstallation of your Nvidia drivers. Download the latest driver from Nvidia's official website. During the installation, choose the Custom Advanced option and select Perform a clean installation. Finally, give your game a quick restart. Often, closing and reopening will fix the feature to run correctly. Hopefully, with these simple steps, you'll be enjoying your Nvidia features in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to your gamer friend.